this thing, it's for chopping. Okay, 3-4 inches maybe, right? I know. I'm a glutton for punishment, okay? It's getting close. There you have it, guys. Check that out. It's cool. It's a cool knife. It's a cool knife. What is it? Okay, guys, it is 8mm thick of 1075 steel. Alright, it's got a hardwood handle and it has got the absolute awesome factor when you put this thing in your hand. Okay, you pick it up and you go ooh. Guys, this is a knife that I did a video on before on Wooly's World, okay, and now this is the same knife, but I actually give it to my brother. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm just going to put it through its paces for you today. Okay, but first let's look at the sheath, right? So as with every Condor product, guys, the sheath is just unbelievable. I don't know how to do it. I really don't. Okay, the quality of these sheaths is something that you get. It's close on what you would get with a custom knife. Okay, custom knife. Like, just look at that. Just look at that thing. Okay, look at how thick that is. All right, it's got these two. The belt loop is on a slight swivel. Okay, it's got these two stud fasteners here. Very good, very good. Everything's very well made. Okay, so guys, that is what a sheath should be like. Okay, if you are a high-class knife making company and your sheath is not up to Condor quality, you're not doing it right. Okay, that's my thoughts. All right, so listen, we'll go chop some stuff and then we'll do some finer stuff with it, guys. This thing, it's for chopping. So let's chop something. Let's chop something. Okay. 3-4 inches maybe, right? I know. I'm a glutton for punishment, okay? Okay, before you say anything, this is my forest, okay? I'm not just randomly chopping down trees, and I wouldn't suggest that anybody should just go and randomly chop down trees, okay? So I thin this forest, okay? And this one, this tree right here, I have been eyeing up for a video like this for a long time. Nearly halfway. Okay, so Hey, chopping down trees aren't easy anyway with a hand tool. Unless you class a chainsaw as a hand tool. It's getting close. Ta-da! Alright, alright, alright. Okay, so this is the chopping part, okay? And it's weighted that way, so that's the way it falls when you swing it, alright? This bit here, guys, this little curve right in here, it's designed for finer tasks, alright? And so we have a nice belly in the blade up around here as well. So you can choke up in the blade for skinning, okay? So let's go and do a little bit of feather sticks and stuff like that with it. So you will not be surprised, you know, but I'm not surprised by its ability to do that. So I'm just making myself a batten here, okay? So this is black pine, guys. You've seen me work at this stuff before. It is quite twisty, okay? So the top of this is actually rounded off, okay? So it's 90 degrees here and it's rounded off here. So you can batten with it, guys. That's why it's done. So you can see how twisty this stuff gets. Yeah, not surprised with that. Let's get some finer stuff done. My big fat head in the way. Not too bad, not too bad. It seems to work better two-handed, okay, than one-handed. But listen, I'm not very practiced in this, using this knife, tell you the truth. My brother was more into it than me, so I give it to him. But you can see that with just a little bit of practice and a couple of there you have it, guys. Check that out. It's cool. It's a cool knife. It's a cool knife. Guys, overall, you know, sorry, this thing just wants to chop. It just wants to chop. Guys, another very well designed, very well made product by Condor from El Salvador. Guys, this is a beast. It is a beast of a knife. Alan Kay won Alone, the first season of Alone, using one of these exact knives, okay? You know, it's based on a very, very old design of a knife that has been around for a long, long time, and it works. What more can I say? If you're into your big choppers, guys, or kukuris, I would definitely recommend getting one of these heavy duty kukuris by Condor from El Salvador. El Salvador. Thanks for watching, guys. I just have to do this, sorry. Or maybe like this. Thanks for watching.